All right, everybody, how y'all doing today? Hope y'all having a fantastic day as I am. I'm having a great day. It's a super rainy day outside. It's kind of a gloomy, kind of like a kind of day, but it is what it is. You know how it is. Just taking it easy, going it easy. So how y'all doing, guys? Big shout out for everybody here. Hope you're all having a great day. I'm having a great day too. We're going to go in it today. We're going to find out what the hell the market's doing. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? Are we going to go sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Hope you're all having a great start of the week. Did you do any trades over the weekend? I didn't trade anything at all. Nothing super awesome happening overall on the weekend. It was pretty boring like it is. But today we have a little bit of a dumpy dump. So we're going to look at what the hell are these dumpy dumps going to do. Are they going to go up? Are they going to go down? Are we going to bounce from here? Are we going to keep going to the downside? I don't know. Let's find out together. Stick around and smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Twitch, I'm on Kick, I'm on Facebook. I'm all over the place, guys. No reason why not you guys shouldn't be taking you shouldn't be looking at my price ranges and looking how the hell I am going to be trading these markets. So like I said before, we're having a little bit of a dumpy dump happening over on the markets. And it is what it is, you know. We're going to have some good days. We're going to have some bad days. And today we're having a bad day if you're not shorting. If you're shorting, then you're having a great day. We don't short. We always look for entry prices to go into the upside. Let's see if we're going to have a little bit of a bouncy bounce from here. Let's see. I don't know. Let's find out. So big shout out for everybody here over on the live stream. You guys are amazing. Also, guys, if you have any questions that you want to ask, anything whatsoever, any coins you want to look at, anything you want to do some TA on, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to do my TA. I will read it out loud for you guys so you can see that we are doing our analyses. So let's go into it today, guys. We're going to give it a few more minutes. We're going to give it a few more minutes just to see how it gets here. In the meantime, please go right ahead and smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. I'm streaming on every single platform. I'm restreaming on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitch, Kick. I'm all over the place. I'm all over the place, guys. Also, if you have any questions, go ahead and write it down on the chat box, guys. I will do my best to do my TA on whatever coin or asset you want to go ahead and look at. At the moment, I am in a trade on XRP. XRP finally, we got the little pullback down that we were hoping for that 46 cent XRP. So we got in on a little bit of a long at 46 cents. I really hope that you guys took advantage of that also, that you are in a trade also. I've been giving you my entry prices, and I really hope that you got in it today. No reason, guys. No excuses. There is no excuses. You saw my entry prices. I've been saying that for weeks. Beautiful trade on XRP today. We're going to go in it today, guys. We're going to go in it. So big shout out for everybody here over on the live stream. You guys are awesome, just like always. Let me make sure that everything is set up over here. Having a little bit of a technical issue over here on the chat box. I don't know why. Everything is streaming. Beautiful. Okay, we're good. Yeah, we're live everywhere. All right. Let's go in it today. Let's set up the charts, guys. Let's set up the charts, and we're going to go in it today. We're going to find out what the hell are we going to do. Well, like I said, we're already in a street, wait, give me a second. We are already in a trade on XRP. Let me set it up over here. For some reason, I'm trying to log into this computer. I did my trade over on my laptop, and I cannot get to open on my computer. They're not sending me the verification code. That's one of the iffy things that BitGet has. They don't have a... When it comes to logging into their platform, there has so many security measures that it's just too many security measures, you know? Like, yeah, all you need is the authenticator. Just give me the authenticator code and I can log in. Nope. They just make it insanely difficult. Insanely difficult. But it is what it is. You know how it is? It is what it is. You know how it is. So I'm going to set up the longing position over here. I went in on 46 cents. So we are around here. That's beautiful to see. Right now we are in profits. My take profit on this trade, I will set it up in a minute here. Give me 1 second. It's put the stop loss over here on a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio. Pretty much around there. So I'm going to take my profits around that area right there. Who knows? Maybe I'll even hold on to my trade. You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to keep on holding it to it. I'm going to extend it a little bit higher. There we go. That's going to be my trade. That's going to be my trade on XRP. we're in it today. So big shout out to everybody here in the live stream. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing, just like always. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. We're trying to stream every day at 5 p.m. Eastern. And I cannot grow without you guys' help. So big shout out for everybody here. Everybody share the link, share the information, share the wealth with everybody you know. Music provided to you by the Art of Techno. XRP Queen, big shout out to you, XRP Queen. Where you been? Where you been, XRP Queen? How you doing? Ray, how you doing, Ray? It's all good, you know how it is. Big shout out to you, Ray. So hope you're all having a fantastic day. It's a super duper kind of rainy kind of day. It's like doom and gloom outside. There is a storm outside over here in Puerto Rico. It is what it is. It's just rain all around the world, guys. Rain all around the world. You know how it is. So big shout out for everybody here. XRP Queen over on the TikTok saying, how are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing super duper good, you know. I'm in a trade right now on XRP. Bought a little bit of a longing position, a super duper dangerous longing position. You shouldn't be on, there is no indications whatsoever that this price is going to bounce from here. But you know me, I don't really care about my money. Fuck it, I just go in on a long. I'm always longing XRP. And I dollar cost average on the way down. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Chilling like a villain. XRP Queen saying over on the TikTok, I have a good feeling that it will pop off. I have that feeling every goddamn day. I have that feeling every goddamn day. I know for a fact that we are going to pop off sooner or later. It is what it is, just a matter of time. We just got to be patient. We just got to wait it out. We cannot listen to what other people are doing. You do whatever you want to do, you boo-boo. You do you boo-boo, okay? You just got to take it easy. Just take it easy, chill out. Let the markets do their thing, you know? Let the markets drive you, not the other way around. You don't make decisions. No, the market makes decisions, and you just hop in on the same ride, you know? You just hop in on the same ride. Trading with the trend, guys. Trading with the trend. We're still trending to the downside. We still have a bearish signal. We still have a bearish signal on some XRP. We still have a cross to the downside. We still have a cross on the MACD. I mean, yeah, there's just no reason why anybody should have been on a long. None whatsoever. There is no reason. No reason. But I don't care. I'm in a long on XRP. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. Got in at 46 cents. Let's see if we pop from here to the upside. Tomorrow, guys, keep this in mind. Tomorrow, there is going to be a hearing with Gary Gensler over on Congress, okay? Normally, those things are kind of like bullish news for XRP, okay? Especially if he gets a little bit of a whooping over on the Congress. I don't know how things are going to go tomorrow. Maybe it'll be good, maybe it'll be bad. FTX is selling a shit ton of their bags. That's why we're having this a little bit of a dumpy dump happening over here today. It's like contradicting information, you know. We got bullish news on one side, we got hella bearish news on the other. And I don't know about you, but that's just volatility on the markets, guys. Volatility, more volatility to the markets. So let's set up the charts. We're gonna go in it today. Steve McKee over on the TikTok channel saying, heard $500 XRP is undervalued. $500 XRP, $500? You want $500? You want $500? $500 XRP, bro? I don't think I have the emotional or mental maturity to hold on to XRP all the way up to $500. I will be selling my bags like above $5. If it reaches $5, I am gonna start taking some profits. It is what it is. That's just my trading plan. But hell, if we get to $500 XRP, I ain't gonna be mad. I ain't gonna be mad, bro. I ain't gonna be mad. Not at all. $500 XRP, let's make it happen. Right around the corner. Of course it is. Do you guys have the emotional maturity to hold on to $500 XRP? I don't know. I sure as hell know that I do not. Brandon Spalding over on the TikTok saying that you do have those diamond hand jeans on you, brother. Do it for you, man. You do what you got to do. You know, you do what you got to do. You got to hold on to $500 XRP. Hold on to $500 XRP. I hold on to $5 XRP. The other guys hold on to $10 XRP. I don't know. Do whatever the fuck you want to do. You know? You do whatever the fuck you want to do. Steve McKee over on the TikTok saying I'll hold 25% of my bag. Hey, to each his own. Depends on the size of your bag, you know? My bag ain't that big. My bag ain't that big. I'm just trying to stack up on much XRP as I can, you know? The more it dips, like today, we bought some more at 46 cents. That was my target price. I put the limit buy order in, as you've seen with previous live streams. You know that I'm doing it. It's not like you saw the on the previous live streams. I did at 46 cents, and then the next one is at 41, 35, and 25. Are we going to reach those price ranges? I don't know. But if we do, I'm locked and loaded, ready to go. I'm locked and loaded, ready to go. And hold on to those bags. Moonshot from there, man. Moonshot from there. XRP trading at 47 cents, guys. 47 cents. One more minute, guys. One more minute, and we'll start the class. Also, guys, if you have any coins that you want to look at in specific, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I will do my best to read it out loud and do my TA on whatever coins you want to look at, okay? Completely, you got me in for an hour of power. Take advantage of it. Ask away. Whatever you want to talk about, whatever asset you want to look at, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. I forgot my water. God damn it. So we're going to go in it today, guys. To set up the charts, we're going to talk about some XRP. We're going to talk about some big cams. We're going to talk about all kinds of coins. All kinds. Ooh, let me look at Cardano. Oh, no love for Cardano. Let me look at Solana. Ooh, no love for Solana. Just dumpy dumps all around the world, guys. Let me look at some Litecoin. Ooh. Look at some Ethereum. Ooh. Look at some Bitcoin. Ooh. Total market cap. Let me look at the total market cap. Ooh. We're sub $1 trillion again, guys. We are sub $1 trillion. We're right below it. This is it, guys. Accumulation zone. You better start stacking up on your coins. Whatever coins you want to talk about. Whatever coins you want to hold. Doesn't matter. Stack up on those damn coins, guys. Start stacking up. I'm telling you right now, guys. Start stacking up. Accumulation zone. That's where we are right now. Accumulation zone. Gary Dublin XRP over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Gary. Veracity. You want to talk about some Veracity? What is Veracity, by the way? Never heard about that coin. Veracity. Big shout out to Gift over on the TikTok. Thank you for that like, guys. Thank you so much for that like. Veracity. VRA. Ooh, VRA. Yeah, we can talk about some VRA. Let me take on my handy dandy notebook. Whatever coins, guys, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. Oops. VRA. We can talk about some VRA. What else we got? My man 24 over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. NXRA. NXRA. We can talk about some NXRA. Of course we can. Gary over on the TikTok saying AI advertising. Hey, if it's AI, go in it. If it's AI, go in it. No hesitations. No hesitations. Everything in AI is just a fucking gold mine. Everything in AI is a fucking gold mine. It's like AI is the new metaverse, you know? And when they both mix together, forget about it, guys. Forget about it. Forget about it. Steve McKee, want to talk about some H-bar action? Of course we're going to talk about some H-bar action, Steve McKee. H-bar. We'll talk about some H-bar. Of course we are. Any other coins, guys? Go ahead and write it down on the chat box. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already. Smashing the like button exposes the information to the algorithm. We're going to try to grow this channel as much as we can. Try to get to that 10,000 subscriber mark on all of my streaming platforms, which has been one hell of a journey to get there, guys. We're about 3.6 thousand followers over on the TikTok channel. That is beautiful to see. And I haven't been able to do that without you guys' help. So I highly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for stopping by and giving me your time. Okay. You got me for an hour of power. So make it happen, Captain. Take advantage of it and ask away and do whatever the hell you want to do. And if you want to help grow the channel, smash that like button and make sure you smash the share button also. And you share the link, share the information with all of your social media. Okay, guys? Gary over on the TikTok say, big shout out to you, Gary, again. You want to talk about some VeChain? Yeah, we can talk about some VeChain. VeChain. We can talk about some VeChain action. I mean, everything is taking an absolute shit on everything. So don't expect any good news all around the world. It's just a shit show all around the world. Look at this. Look at this dumpy dump happening right now. I mean, it ain't looking so good. Everything is tied to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is dumping, so everything is going to dump with it. Okay? But I mean, in any way, shape, or form, we're just looking for entry prices. And if you've been wondering what is a good entry price, this is what it looks like. You know, this is what it looks like. 24 around the TikTok say, how about SDAO, amigo? SDAO? We can talk about some SDAO. Never heard about SDAO, but we could talk about some SDAO. All right, guys, we got the 5 coins for today. Let's start the class. All right, everybody. I like to start the class the same way every single day, looking on these markets to see where we're at. Are we making money or are we losing money? Are we up? Are we down? Are we sideways? What's going on? I don't know. Let's find out together. Make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already. Follow and subscribe from whatever platform you're looking on me at. Alexa is talking to me. And make sure that you share the link, share the information with everybody you know. We're going to try to grow as much as we can. So we're going to figure out what the hell other markets doing today. I like to start with Bitcoin first because Bitcoin is the big mama bear. Whatever Bitcoin does, so does everything else. So if you're going to do your technical analysis, start with Bitcoin first. Okay, start with Bitcoin first. Looking on Bitcoin on the daily chart over on the trading view card, we're going to zoom in and let's see what the hell the last 2 candles are doing. These last 2 candles are the last 2 days. Well, we're having a little bit of a dumpy dump happening right around the corner right here. Was it a war that we could see coming? Yes, we had the bearish signal all the way back here, and there is no reason whatsoever why you should be bullish. Okay, we got the cross of the moving averages, we got the cross of my RSI, and we got the cross of my MACD. All my indicators were saying, yo, this is gonna go down. This is gonna go down. Don't long. There's not a longing opportunity right now. And the markets took an absolute shit show on everybody, okay? So no reason why you should be longing anything right now at this moment. You should be shorting. And if you should be shorting, then you go to the lower time frames, okay? We're in the daily. This is the bigger macro point of view of it, okay? Now we're going to go to the lower time frames. So let's go to the 15-minute chart. We know the direction is to the downside. So what do we do with that information? We're looking for shorting opportunities, okay? We know that it's a short. We know that the momentum is to the downside. Now let's go to the lower time frames, especially that 10-minute chart. And where was the bearish signal to go down? This is the 15-minute chart, by the way. Where was the dump? This is the dump. Did we get the signal? Yes, right here. See? We got here the bearish signal with a cross of the RSI, and the dumpy dump on the MACD signal. It was right there, guys. It was right there. That would have been a beautiful shorting opportunity. Let's say that we actually did go on a short back then when we got that signal. We placed a short right there. Let's say that just for shits and giggles, We went in on the short right there. We put the stop loss at the previous swing high, and we take our profits at a 1 to 1.5 risk reward ratio, which is right there. And there we go. See? There we go. We would have made a beautiful trade on that shorting opportunity on Bitcoin. That was right fucking there. Okay? Okay? Pay attention, guys. Pay fucking attention. Okay? Now let's go back up to the daily charts because we're going to figure out what the hell are we going to do. We already got the entry prices, okay, from the last live stream. We're going to do it all over again because we still got some more potential to the downside, okay? We still got dumpy dumps coming right around the corner. So we're going to do what? We're going to go for the high. We're going to go for the low. And we got the retracement on that low. So we have a reverse shark fin formation. This reverse shark fin formation gives me the Fibonacci levels. So let me draw out the Fibonacci levels to the downside. Okay. There we go. What is my entry price for Bitcoin right now? Let's do it all over again. My entry prices for some Bitcoin action, what I believe the price is going to do if it keeps going to the downside, is that it's going to reach all the way down here to the -618 on the Fibonacci levels. Okay. So my entry price on some Bitcoin action is 22,306 and 21,172. Okay. I'm going to put it over here so you guys can take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play it out however the hell you want to play it out. Completely up to you guys. Okay. But this is how I am going to be playing this scenario. What I think it's going to do is that it's going to break to the downside, reach down here to the low 20s, and then we're going to get the bouncy bounce happening all the way up for the next bull cycle. Remember, we do have a halving. We're less than a year away. Less than a year. You know what? You don't have to take my word for it. You don't have to take my word for it. Bitcoin halving countdown. You can Google it. You can Google it, guys. How far away? We are 217 days away from the next halving cycle, guys. Oh my God. Exciting times. Exciting times, guys. We got 200 days, guys. 200 days to stack up on whatever the hell coin you want to stack up on. Okay? I don't know if you were here with me on the last bull cycle. On the last bull cycle, pretty much the same time frame between October and November. I remember that the last bull cycle, we started making bots. We started trading automatically. We started trading with bots because I couldn't attend the trading activities at the time. So I set up trading bots and it would just do it automatically for me. Pretty much in October and November. And I just let that sucker run the entire year before the halving. Before the halving. The bot would buy on the way down. And then when we got the halving, we got the next bull cycle. Rode that sucker all the way to the upside with automatic gains, guys. Automatic gains. So if you were waiting for that accumulation zone, the time is now. Low 20s on Bitcoin. That's it. That's your number. Low 20s on Bitcoin. You want my exact numbers? 22,300, 21,170. Okay? 22,000 and 21,000. There it is. Okay? There it is. You do whatever the hell you want to do with that information. Completely up to you guys. You don't have to trade it how I trade it. You can do whatever the hell you want to do. Okay? This is not financial advice in no way, shape, or form. This is just me, an idiot online, recording his journey on crypto. Okay? The lowest of the low that Bitcoin can go, the lowest of the low that Bitcoin can go, the negative 1.618, which is all the way down to 17K. In no way, shape, or form do I believe that we're going to see 17K Bitcoin anytime soon. I don't think ever again. I personally do not think that we're going to see Bitcoin at 17K ever again. Okay, could be completely wrong, completely full of shit, and we see 17K Bitcoin yet tomorrow. I don't know. I just don't think that we're ever going to see 17 Bitcoin. You do whatever you want to do. I don't have a limit buy order at 17K for Bitcoin. Okay, I just don't, because I just don't see it going all the way down there, guys. I really, really, really don't. But the low 20s, absolutely. Low 20s, absolutely. 22,306 and 21,172. Okay. Accumulate now. That's all I got to say. Accumulate now. Moving on to a little bit of Ethereum action. These were my Ethereum price action from the last live stream. Okay. We did this live stream about a week ago, and those were my target prices back then. Remember that we did get this bearish signal all the way up here. We had the cross of the RSI. We had the dumpy dump on the MACD. So that bearish signal was highly validated. Okay, highly validated. No reason why you should be longing anything whatsoever because of that signal. Okay, so those were my price ranges over on Ethereum: 1,477, 1,521, 1,350, and 1,276. Those are my dollar cost averages on the way down. What do I do with this information? I set limit buy orders on my trading account. Okay, I put 25% on one, 25% on the other, 25, 25, like that until I don't have any more purchasing power, and I buy is down. And OBS reconnected successfully. Okay, we're back up. Can you guys see me? Let me know in the chat box. Let me see. Make sure that I'm having some technical difficulties. Yeah, my YouTube is still live. My Twitch is still live. Yeah, we're good. All right. Perfect. So yeah, guys. Boom, boom. Let me put that over here. Let me put that over there. Okay. So yeah, guys. Those are my entry prices for some Ethereum action, okay? You do whatever you want to do with this information. Completely up to you. You do you, boo-boo. This is not financial advice, but that is how I am going to be trading this Ethereum action. 1,521, 1,350, and 1,276, okay? There is no longing signal as of just yet, so maybe 1,350 and 1,276 might be playing out right around the corner. Who knows? We're going to find out together, okay? We're going to find out, that's for sure. Let's move on to a little bit of Litecoin action. Ooh, look at that. Litecoin bounces exactly on the target price that I gave you on the last live stream. This was from previous live streams. You can go ahead and check it out all over on my YouTube channel. 57.26 was my target price, and guess where the price actually... Let me zoom in. 57.26, 57.26. Guys, I cannot do the trade for you. I cannot buy the coin for you. You know? Can't do it. I can give you my target prices to play it out however the hell you want to play it out. Okay? There it is. That's my target price. We're not trading at 58.37. You would be in profits right now. Are we going to keep going, bouncing from here? I don't know. I don't know. No way, shape, or form. I don't see it. I don't see it. Maybe a little bit of action moving. I don't know. I don't know. I don't have a longing signal. I do not have a longing signal. I'm hoping that it does, though. I'm hoping that, let me see. Zooming out. Are we going to go up? Are we going to go down? I don't know. But I got in it, guys. 57.26. Let me give you my other target price ranges. 57.26. And the next one is to the downside. Let me put it over here. Oop. Next one is at 52.93 and 48.73. Those are my target prices for some Litecoin action. 52.93 and 48.73. Okay. Highest demand zones over on the Fibonacci levels. Let me get rid of this. Those are my target prices for some Litecoin action. We got at 57, we're going to get at 52, and we're going to get at 48. Okay? Take a screenshot of that if you guys want to play it out the exact same way that I do. Completely up to you. Not financial advice in no way, shape, or form. But it looking kind of saucy to the upside, guys. Looking very sussy. Very sussy. Moving on to some. Let me see what you guys wanted to talk about. No, let's move on to my beautiful baby girl, XRP. What is XRP doing right now? We are in a trade on XRP. That's beautiful to see. We got in at 46 cents. Enjoying this little bouncy bounce happening as of right now. That's beautiful. Let me give you my other target price ranges for some XRP action. We got the high, we got the low, we got the recovery of the low, and my next target prices are down here. We got a little bit at 46, at 41, and the next ones are at 36 and 32. There we go. Let me write it down so you guys can take a screenshot out of it. My target price for XRP is 36,281 and 0.32679. Okay. Those are my target prices right there. You can see them. Okay. For some XRP action. I'm not saying that we're going to get to 36 cents XRP. I'm not saying that we're going to go to 32 cent XRP. We might even bounce from here all the way up to a fund to $100. I don't know what the hell the XRP is going to do. Okay. But if it actually does dump to 36 and 32, guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to buy more XRP. Buy more XRP. Actually, you know what? I'm going to give you 2 more target ranges. Just following support and demand, okay? Just following support and demand. My other 2 target ranges, if it actually does dump, it's here and here. Let me see, do we have any other ones? No, I'm just gonna keep it at that. No, I'm gonna give you one more. I'm gonna give you one more. The other one is right here. Okay? Not saying that in any way, shape, or form are we going to ever see these price ranges ever again. Okay? I don't. I just don't see it. I just don't see it. Okay. 30 cents. And the last one at 0.23986. There we go. Now that's a fucking trading plan right there, guys. We got a long ways to go before we ever get to anywhere near these price ranges. In no way, shape, or form do I see that happening anytime soon whatsoever. Okay? But if they do, I have a limit buy order just ready to go. Limit buy order just ready to go. Okay? You do you, boo-boos. You do you, boo-boos. And that, guys, is my target price ranges for XRP. Now, moving on to some VRA. You guys wanted to talk about some VRA. Veracity. I don't even know what this coin does. Let me see. Veracity. Let me do a little bit of market analysis of what the hell does Veracity do. Veracity is an open ledger ecosystem designed to fight advertising fraud. Provide open access to infrastructure for publishers and advertisers. Okay, cool. So it's an advertising firm using AI. Cool. And machine learning. Cool. That sounds kind of solid. That's awesome. Let me see what the 24-hour volume is. About $6 million. Not that much. Circulating supply of about 10 billion. Max supply of 110 billion. We have a market cap of about $421 million. And he's trading below 1 cent. Let's see what we got over here, guys. It's sounding kind of nice. So for Veracity, VRA, we can do some TA. Yeah, of course we can. Let me go and see what we got. We got a low. We have a high. And we have a pullback of the high. So we have a shark fin formation. That shark fin formation translates into what? The Fibonacci levels. Sorry about that. So let's do our Fibonacci levels. All right. And what is VRA doing as of right now? VRA target price was the 618. The 618 on the Fibonacci levels is set at, these coins are trading less than a cent, 0.004033840. It's a lot of zeros. So did you stack up on a little bit of VRA at 0.004 cents? Okay. Remember that it is trading now below it. You have to wait for the next 24 hours to see where this candle closes. If it closes below 0.04, then what does that mean? That means that the 618 now becomes resistance. When the 618 becomes resistance, that means that it's going to take a heck of a lot of money flow and volume to push this price to the upside, because people don't no longer, the system doesn't, the market does no longer trust VRA. Okay, so we might get some more price action to the downside. Okay, what are those target prices to the downside? Ooh, I like that song. What is that song? Find Your Universe by Florian Burns. Yo, that song is kick ass. Let me write it down. By Florian Burns. So for VRA, we're probably going to get more price action to the downside, okay? Tied to Bitcoin, always remember that. So we're going to figure out what are my next levels to the downside. So I'm going to get rid of this one. And I'm going to have to take a high. I'm going to have to take a low and a reversal of the low. So we have this shark fin formation. That is awesome to see, because that means that I have a reverse Fibonacci level. All right, so my target prices for VRA, whoever's interested in getting some VRA action, is set at 0.00340231 and 0.00309795. That's it, guys. All right. So whoever suggested Veracity, I think it was Gary, right? Was it Gary? Gary, my man Gary. Yeah, you were the one who... Those are my target prices to getting in on some VRA action. Set a limit buy order if you want to participate the exact same way that I'm doing it over here. And go ahead and do whatever you want to do, boo-boo. Do whatever the hell you want to do, boo-boo. Completely up to you. Trade it however the hell you want to trade it, okay? Those are my target prices for VRA. Now let's go into a little bit of NXRA. Alliance Block Nexera. What the hell is Alliance Block Nexera? Wow, this sucker is trading only $200 on the volume. The volume is only $200. You can manipulate the price of this coin with only $200. Wow. There's not enough volume. There's just not enough volume. There's about 700 million in circulating supply. The circulating supply, total max supply of 150 million. Let me see what they do. What do they do? It's a cryptocurrency token and operates on the Ethereum platform, so it's an ERC20 token. Alliance Block Nexera has a circulating supply of 850 billion, blah, blah, blah. The last known price of Alliance Block Nexera is 0.08. No, it isn't. It's 0.05. Does it give me any... I don't know. It doesn't give me anything. Let me see. News. I don't know what they do. I don't know what they do. I don't know. NXRA. NXRA. Alliance Block Tether. Let's go. Oh, we talked about this one. We talked about this one, my man. These are my target prices right there. This was from previous live streams. See that I told you... I think we talked about this, that it was finding, it couldn't break out of the 618. I remember we were talking about, now the 618 became resistance, and it's probably going to dump from there. And it's doing that exact same thing. Okay. This is what I talk about when I say that the 618 is support, is not resistance. If it becomes resistance, it's hella difficult to break to the upside. It's going to take a lot of money, a lot of volume, a lot of flow, and Bitcoin has to cooperate. Bitcoin ain't cooperating. Bitcoin is just, look at all this. Everything is red. Everything is red. So it's going to drag NXRA with it. My target price for NXRA to start stacking up on NXRA is 0.045813. It's still playing out. It still hasn't played it out. So it's still at play. It's still at play, okay? 0.045818. 0.045813. Let's go. Let's fucking go for NXRA. Next one, H-bar. Let's talk about some H-bar action. Where are my brothers and sisters from H-bar at? Here we go. Okay. This was from previous live streams. We stacked up on H-bar at around 5 cents. Okay, so now let's figure out what the ones are, because it's the same, just like the rest of the market. It's breaking below the 618, so we got to redo our Fibonacci levels, and we got to find out what are the next price ranges to the downside. So for H-bar, we have a high, we have a low, we have a retracement of the low. These are my price ranges for some H-bar action. We're talking about this one and this one, all right? So you stacked up at 5 cents. Now we're going to buy some more on the way down at 0.03982 and 0.03567. Okay. So for H-bar, my brothers and sisters over in H-bar, 0.03. Okay, so around 4 cents and 3 cents. Okay, so 3 cents, 4 cents. Okay. One of years. What is this? This song is, I like this song also. Let me see. Let me write this one down. It's called Placebo. Placebo. Running up the hill. Did you guys watch, what's it called? What's the name of this show that played out that song? Stranger Things. That was a kick-ass show. Running up the hill. Best fucking scene ever made ever. All right, moving on to some VeChain. Let's talk about some VeChain. What is VeChain doing? I don't think there's much love for VeChain. Yep, that's my target prices for some previous live streams, guys. VeChain breaking to the downside on that 618. Like I said, the last live stream, when we talked about some VeChain, we're going to break to the downside. Target price for some VeChain, 0.012 and 0.011. Okay? I don't see any movement whatsoever to the upside. No love for VeChain. No love for VeChain. I don't know. You guys still want to stack up with some VeChain? What do you want to do, guys? What do you want to do? Gary, my man Gary over on the TikTok. You still want to stack up with some, on some VeChain? Not looking too good, brother. Not looking too good. Let's look at some SDAO. What is SDAO? I don't know what SDAO is. SDAO. SDAO, Singularity DAO. So it's a DAO. It's a DeFi coin. Okay, let me see what we got over here. Also, guys, another thing. If you guys want to participate in DeFi platforms, the time is now. Remember, while we are in an accumulation zone, we don't want to get into DeFi when things are on the green. No, because those coins are going to devalue if you get them on the green, okay? You always want to get them at the red. And if I'm hoping that we're going to have this little bouncy bounce to the upside from here on out, now is the time if you guys want to start participating in DeFi platforms, okay? It is now. It is not 2 years ago. It's not 2 years from now. It's now. Okay? It's now. So if you guys want to start stacking up on DeFi coins, participating in their ecosystems, it's now. Okay? It's now. So Singularity DAO, as the DeFi arm of the Singularity Net AI ecosystem, the Singularity DAO is a true decentralized autonomous organization designed to simplify access to the crypto economics. Decentralized finance makes the world most advanced decentralized artificial intelligence, blah, blah, blah. It's a DAO, blah, blah. It only has a $900,000 volume in the last 24 hours. So what are we talking about? That we can manipulate the price of this coin with only $900,000. Huh. I don't know what you want to do with that information. We're talking about 100 million in supply. We're trading at less than 40 cents. We're gonna look at this coin. We're gonna let me see. SDAO, Singularity DAO. All right. Ooh, we have a bullish pattern printing out on the charts on SDAO. My ear itches. Watch this. What's happening over here? We have a bullish signal. We have a bullish cross. And we're starting a MACD kind of bullish to the upside, not 100% sure in it on it here, okay? So we do have a cross, we do have another cross, and we do have an upward momentum. So SDAO, oh, but this is SDAO. I knew it. I knew that there was something. This is SDAO Ethereum pair. No, we're looking for SDAO Tether pair. Now that makes a lot more sense. This is why you got to keep an eye out on things, guys. This is why you got to keep an eye out on things. You can do the wrong analysis, you know. So for SDAO, we have a high, we have a low, and we have a reversal of the low. Okay, so we have a reverse shark fin formation. That reverse shark fin formation gives me what? More power to the downside on the Fibonacci levels. Okay. We did not retest the 618 or the golden ratio and the Fibonacci levels. It stayed exactly at the 382. So these price ranges might not actually play out, okay? But I'm gonna set them just in case. You never know. Okay, you never know. So for SDAO, my target prices are, but this is, the probabilities of getting all the way down here are low, okay? They're very low. They're very low. 0.1678, okay, and 1157. 1678, and 1157. So if you guys wanted to stack up on some SDAO, or you wanted to participate in the DeFi for SDAO in their ecosystem, those are the target price ranges that I would take into consideration if I was going to play the game in DeFi, okay? Those price ranges right over there. But since we did not meet the Fibonacci levels, we did not meet the reversal target prices, I don't think we're going to get all the way down here, okay? I just don't think we're going to get all the way down here. Do with that information as you want to do it, okay, my man? Do with that information however you want to play it out, okay? And that, guys, is SDAO. You know what? I'm curious. Let me look at the fear and greed index. I like to look at the fear and greed index as an indicator. I do not consent to anything. And right, we're fear mode. So if we are in fear mode, this is accumulation zone. Let me go over here for a second over here. So we are back to fear. That's interesting to see. A whole lot of people were super duper greedy just a few weeks ago. Now we're back to fearful. I'm gonna wait for this number to get all the way down to 20. When it goes all the way down to 20, I'm gonna see what the hell the Bitcoin price is gonna be, and I'm just gonna accumulate the shit. I like this song also. Sick beat. Hydrocodone. Hydrocodone. By Sick Beat. It is a sick beat. I like this music, guys. I like this music. Hydrocodone. Sounds like a medicine. So yeah, guys, for Singularity DAO, more power to the downside. Crypto markets to the downside. Fear and greed index all the way down to 40. We're going to wait for that 20 indicator. When we get to 20 or anything below 20, we're going to buy some more. We're going to buy some more. My limit buy orders are already set. You already got it, guys. You already know what it is. These are my limit buy orders for Bitcoin. I believe that this low 20s are going to drive the fear market down to back down to the 20s. I don't know. It just feels like it's churning, you know? It's churning to the downside. It is what it is. Halving cycle pushes the prices to the downside. After the halving, ride that sucker all the way up. It's halving, new president, bull cycle. Halving, new president, bull cycle. Simple as that. So we accumulate now. We buy some more now. The difference between 25K, 22K, it's not that much. It's not that much. As long as we stay above the 20s, you know? As long as we stay above the 20s. Joe! My man Joe! How you doing, Joe, over on the YouTube channel? Big shout out to my man Joe. Without Joe, there is no show. How you doing, my man? Been a long time. How you been, brother? What you doing? Are you trading anything? Are you in an active trade right now? We're in an active trade over on the copy trading. I don't know if you guys are in the copy trading still. I don't know how the hell the whole copy trading community is doing over on BitGet. I don't even know how none of that shit is working. But I did go in on a trade on XRP, and I know that you're participating on the copy trade, so make sure that you keep an eye out on it, okay? Take your profits, because I don't know how to handle the copy trading thing on BitGet. I still don't know how the hell they process entries and exits, because it just doesn't do it the same way that I do it, okay? So I'm in a trade on XRP on BitGet. I am in a long on XRP in BitGet. So make sure that you keep an eye out on that one, okay? And that you take your profits accordingly. Pollito, big shout out to you, Pollito, over on the TikTok channel saying, can you do AR what? What coin is that? Is that a coin? AR, I don't even know how the hell to pronounce that. Let me see how, if we can get it. ARW. IE. Brother, that doesn't exist. I think you wrote it wrong. Can you rewrite it? Make sure that it's the correct coin. If you write it down correctly, I'll do the TA. I'm happy to do it. Okay. AR. I don't even know what that coin is. ARW. Ticker is AR? Oh, is it? You put an I. It's without the I. It's an EA. It's EA, not IE. It's Arweave. Arweave. Cool. Let me see what this coin does. I've never heard about this coin. Arweave is a decentralized storage network that seeks to offer a platform for the indefinite storage of data, describing itself as a collective-owned hard drive that never forgets. The network primarily hosts the PermaWeb, a permanent decentralized web with a number of community-driven applications. To learn more about this product, check out our deep dive of Arweave. Let me see what this does. I'm curious. I've never heard about coins like these. Big shout out to Stave White. How you doing, Stave White? Thank you for that share. Big shout out to you. Oops. No go on the thing. Okay. It is what it is. 24-hour volume is about $6 million. We got a total max supply of 66 million coins. Market cap of about 256 million. Trading at about a little less than $4. Let's go in it. Arweave. Ooh, brother, let me tell you right now, Arweave, bottom coin. It's below the bottoms. All support lines break into the downside. That's exactly where you're gonna want to start stacking up on that coin. All right, pollito. What I'm about to tell you right now is that you need to start stacking up on this coin. Hold on for the next bull cycle. Let's see what the hell this coin is going to do later down the line. We have a high. We have a low. We have a retracement of the low. Okay, so we have target prices to the downside. We have a reverse shark fin formation. So what do we do with that information? These are my target prices to start stacking up on some Arweave. Arweave. $3. 3.290. And 2.92. There. Those are my target prices to start stacking up on this bottom coin. If you haven't seen my live stream before, I talk about that the bottom coins are coins that are trading below any support or resistance line. It's finding whatever the hell it wants to do. Okay, it's just we have no historical data that can back up any support lines or resistance lines. Okay, so that means that this price might keep going to the downside, but no reason why no money shouldn't be made on coins that dumps all the way below support lines. Okay, for the next bull cycle, we stack up on this coin. We stack up on this coin right now. Those are my target prices: $3.29 and $2.92. Okay, which kind of looks like a little exchange of numbers: 329, 293. I don't know. Maybe coincidence. We stack up on that coin. We hold on to it for the next bull cycle, and then we find out what the hell this coin is doing. Next bull cycle, 2024, 2025. Okay. November 2024, we get the new president, and that's the trigger for the next bull cycle. Okay, we get halving, new president, bull cycle. Halving, new president, bull cycle. Stack up on the coin. If we can get it down to $3, we buy some more. Okay, we buy some more. Okay, so you do with that information however you want to play it out. Take a screenshot of that if you want to play it out the exact same way that we do. Okay, Dynamite, big shout out to Dynamite over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Dynamite. How you doing, my man? It's all good. You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain, taking it easy. Trying to make these gains. And Dynamite. How you doing, Dynamite? Make sure you smash that like button, guys, if you haven't already. Try to get to all-time highs. And that, guys, is AR. Okay? AR. Steve McKee's over on the TikTok saying you want to talk about some solo coins. Han Solo coins. Sologenic. Oh, I have some Sologenic. I believe we stacked up on Sologenic on the airdrop when Sologenic was launching. What was like a year, 2 years ago? I don't remember when the hell we did that. But I have some Sologenic. Big D, big shout out to Big D over on the TikTok. How you doing, Big D? It's all good, You know how it is. Just chilling like a villain. Taking it easy, trying to make these gains. I'm in an XRP trade right now, guys. I'm in an XRP trade to the upside. A little longy long. So yeah, I have some Sologenic. I do have some Sologenic. Let me look at some solo, some Han Solo with the cholo, with the bolo. Can we trade solo on KuCoin? We can trade. We can trade it on Poloni X. Let's do it there. So Sologenic took a hard dump on everybody, and now we're trying to get some more Sologenic. Sologenic, another bottom coin. Okay, we have another bottom coin. This is the type of coins that you buy for the next bull cycle. Okay, Steve? Bottom coin, we buy it, we stack up on it, and we hold on for the next bull cycle. So you stack up right now, okay, you hold it, put it on your Ledger device. I believe you can use XRP Toolkit to store your Sologenic in your Ledger device, okay? So you buy it, you store it, and you forget about it for the next bull cycle, okay? Forget about it for the next bull cycle. Now let's see if we can find some entry prices. Let's see if we can find some entry prices. Let me zoom in over here. Okay. Yeah, we can do something here. Okay. We have a high, we have a low, we have a retracement on the low. So that's going to give us, there we go, my new entry price. My new entry price to stack up on some Sologenic is this one and this one. 0.0564, 0.0480. Those are my target price for some Sologenic. Okay, for some Sologenic. Bottom coin. Hold on to it for the next bull cycle, and let's see what the hell Sologenic is gonna do. Okay, bottom coin of Sologenic. Big D over on the TikTok channel saying, "What's happening, my brother?" Question: is there anywhere I can stake my XRP? We got Binance. You can stake Binance. You can stake XRP in Binance for 1.52% a year. But here's the thing, brother, Big D. Pay close attention. Come here. Get closer. Come here. Don't deposit your XRP to no damn platform that promises any payment whatsoever. No staking rewards, no depositing rewards, no nothing. Don't do it, man. It's not worth it. Okay, we're talking about 1% a year. You can get more than that in a bank account, and then you use the earnings to buy more XRP. Not financial advice. Okay. It's too much risk. Binance withdraws. Binance can cancel the staking. Binance can do whatever the hell they want because it's their XRP, not yours. If I was you, leave your XRP on your Ledger device, on your LiPal device, anywhere except for any platforms whatsoever. Okay, Big D? That's just how I say it. That's just how I see it, okay? I don't want you to lose your XRP. I don't want you to fall victim to no damn platform. Platforms are evil. Okay, crypto platforms are evil. They control the crypto, not you. And for 1% a year, lose all your XRP? No, not worth it, okay? Not worth it. Keep it in your Ledger device and forget about it for the next bull cycle, you know? For the next bull cycle. Forget about platforms. Forget about staking. Leave it in your Ledger device. That's what I would tell you to do. Okay, but it's your money. You do whatever the hell you want to do with it. This is not financial advice. I can't force you. Okay, but what I would do, I would leave it in my Ledger device and forget about it for the next bull cycle. Okay. Okay. You do you, Big D. You the Big D. You the man. Juju! Big shout out to Juju over on the Twitch channel. How you been, Juju? It's been a while. What you doing, my man? How you up to? When 1 million XRP? My man, tomorrow. Tomorrow. A long tomorrow, long away. That's when we get 1 million XRP. We still got a long way to go. We still got a long way to go, Juju. Still got a long ways to go. But I am in a trade on XRP right now. We got in it at 46 cents. Okay. You can see the trade over in my Discord channel. If you guys want to head on over to my Discord, I sent out the signal to go in on a long on XRP. Unfortunately, I cannot open the damn trade over here on my Bitget account. They don't want to send me the freaking... Hey, big shout out to Patriot. I see Patriotic HQ. Big shout out to you over on the Twitch channel. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you, my man. So Bitget is not sending me my damn security code to my phone again. It worked yesterday to log in my laptop. So I was trading in my laptop. I was on the street. I was trading in my laptop. Saw the signal, went in on it. But I can't open the damn fucking account over here in on my main computer. They're not sending the verification code. I don't know why. They sent it yesterday, but they don't want to send it today. It's a little frustrating, you know? I will take a damn plane and go to Hong Kong and be like, where the fuck is my verification code? You better not fucking take my money. I swear to God, I'm going to have a bitch fit. Yes, they are situated in Hong Kong. Supposedly, I don't know. You know crypto. Crypto's full of shit. Oh, I know how. I know how to show you my trade. I can go to the copy trade. I can search for me. Crypto Sensei. Crypto Sensei, and you can see the orders. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Oh, I found it. There. You can see I'm in a trade. Yeah, this is me, by the way. This is my profile over on Bitget. You can see all of my trades from here. And you can follow my trades if you want to. Don't recommend you do any copy trading whatsoever if you do not understand what copy trading is. And Bitget has a very iffy way of doing their copy trades. They don't go in when I go in. They don't get out when I get out. I don't quite understand how they do their copy trading. But you can follow me. You can see the trades. You can see the trades. I have a 70% win rate. We did about 42% during last month. So that was awesome. We lost about 1.33% the last month, so good profits. We made about $7,000. That's beautiful to see. And you can see the orders. Right now, I'm in a long position. We went in on 46 cents, 465, okay? And we're making about 6% on this trade as of right now, okay? Oh, you guys can't see it over on the Twitch, on the TikTok. Let me see if we can watch it over here. Boom, there we go. Much better. There. So guys, if you have a Bitget account, you can search for me on the copy trading group. You can see my trading profile. And I am in on a trade on a long on XRP for 7%. Do I have any followers? Oh yeah, look at that. I do have some followers. See, this is what I'm talking about, guys. This is what I'm talking about. This is why I don't recommend you guys follow me on Bitget to do the copy trading, because this fucker, why are you guys losing? I don't lose. I mean, I lose, but I haven't lost. This is what I mean. You can see the orders. Look at this, guys. 200%, 200%, 200%, 300. We're at 200. I did lose these two trades, but it's overall, it's like super high. I don't understand why some people make money and some people don't over on the Bitget copy trading. I don't get it. I don't get it. But anyways, you guys can see my orders. You can see my trades, okay? You can see my orders and you can see my trades. Gina Bab, big shout out to Gina Bab over on the TikTok. Thank you for that joining, my man. Thank you so much. Big shout out to you, Gina Bab. Big D, big shout out to you. Thank you for the share. Big shout out to you. Big shout out to everybody. Santos! Big shout out to Santos over on the YouTube channel. Big shout out to you, Santos. Santos over on the YouTube channel saying, what's up with XRP if it goes to $50? Well, if it goes to $50, like you've seen on previous live stream, I hold about 30,000 XRP at $50. How much is that? Where's my calculator? Let's do that right now. 30,000 times 50. I don't know. You guys can do the math. Well, whatever XRP you're holding, multiply it by $50, bro. That's it. Ooh, we're up 7% on my trade. Are you holding any XRP, my man? Are you holding any XRP, brother? Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying $50 is not enough for XRP. Oh, yeah, I know, Crypto Granny. $50 is not nowhere near close enough. Nowhere near. I'm taking my profits on the way up. I do got to tell you that. I am going to take my profits on the way up. But $50 ain't nothing. $50 ain't nothing. I don't have the emotional or the mental maturity to hold on to $50 XRP. I am taking my profits on the way up. But it is what it is, you know? It is what it is. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying no one really knows. Yeah. Just stack up and accumulate on more XRP. That's all you got to do. Stack up on some more XRP, hold on into more XRP, and let's just keep going. That's all you got to do. Accumulate. That's the name of the game. Accumulate. I am him. Big shout out to you. I am him over on the TikTok saying, if you're looking to get into QNT, I am him. If you're looking to get into QNT, keep an eye on it. Okay, let's go into some QNT. Let's do some TA on some QNT. Ooh, I think we talked about this one. Yeah, we talked about this one on the previous live streams, guys. So QNT. Trading at $92. My target price was $94.87. QNT. Let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you. So QNT has a high, has a low, has a retracement of the low. So we have a reverse shark fin formation. That reverse shark fin formation gives me what? The Fibonacci levels to the downside. There we go. And my target price for QNT, my accumulating target price for QNT is 67.53, 67.534, 54.842. Those are my two target prices to getting in on some QNT. Not saying that in any way, shape, or form are we going to get to 67 or 54 or any other number whatsoever. But if it does, that is my limit buy order to start stacking up on QNT. So if you guys wanted to stack up on some QNT, that's where I would buy some QNT. Completely up to you, not financial advice. Oh, wait, 1 second. Wait. Hold your horses. We do have a low, we do have a high, and we have a reversal of the high. So we have a reverse shark fin formation. No, we have a shark fin formation. So we can draw out the Fibonacci levels On the way up. There we go. So we got one more target price. One more target price, guys. Here we go. These are my 3 target prices. There we go. Now it makes a whole lot more sense, because making it go down all the way to $50, I don't think that's going to go down to $50. We're talking about a 50% loss to the downside. No. So to the downside, we do have 78.259. 78.259. Those are my limit buy orders on the way down for QNT. If it keeps going to the downside, it is finding a little bit of support in the 0.5 in the Fibonacci levels. That is beautiful to see, but I'm thinking that we're going to keep breaking to the downside, especially that 618 on the Fibonacci levels. Okay? I don't know. So if you guys are stacking up on some QNT, those are my price ranges, okay? 78, 67, and 54. Not saying that it will, but if it does, I'm locked and loaded, ready to go. Okay? Limit buy orders all the way down. Santos over on the YouTube channel saying 15K XRP holding, and yeah, I thought you would say retire. Brother, $50 XRP? That's life-changing money for a lot of people, because I know a lot of people who hold XRP, and I'm not talking about that they're holding 1 million XRP, 100,000 XRP. No. With 30,000 XRP at $50, that's $1.5 million. $1.5 million with 30,000 XRP. Now, in no way, shape, or form am I saying that we're going to get to $50 XRP, but is it possible? Yes. Highly possible to get to $50 XRP. $50 is just not enough to cover the demand of XRP. We're just talking about the liquidity portion of it. Okay? So, yeah, it's highly possible. You know my target. My target is to hold 100,000 XRP. We're not there yet. We're not even close. Okay? But rest assured that the more it dumps, the more I buy. Even if I have to go get another goddamn job, the more it dumps, the more I buy. Okay. $50 XRP. Jesus Christ. $50 XRP. God damn. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying, I've been calling a $60 to $70 for quant, QNT. Oh, you mean the target price to the upside? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. $60 to $70. Oh, no, you mean, sorry, my bad. 60 to 70. Yeah, perfect. There you go. My target prices are 78, 67, and 54. Buy 60, 70. It's, yeah, dollar cost average on the way down. I don't see why not, Crypto Granny. I don't see why not. You're a genius. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying that by February, BTC to 10K to 12K. Oof. That is, 10K Bitcoin is a refinance my house and get more Bitcoin. Not saying that you should do that. Don't, that's the stupidest thing you could ever do. But 10K, 12K Bitcoin, bro, I don't know what the hell I have to do. Get a third job, sell my house, sell my car. I don't know. I don't know. I am him crossing your fingers for 10K Bitcoin. Whew. Let's go to Bitcoin for a second over here. See, my entry price for the short term, for this little dumpy dumps that are happening right now, for those of you who are joining me right now, 22K, 21K. See that? 10K, 12K Bitcoin. I don't know what I got to do, but I'm definitely, absolutely buying a whole lot more Bitcoin at 10K. At 10K? That's the 618, by the way. That's the negative 618. We're talking about 16K Bitcoin. If it reaches all the way down to the negative 1.618. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying, you won't need BTC when your XRP hits 22. You mean that XRP reaches $22? I'm telling you right now, $5 XRP is my target price for my first take profit zone on XRP. $5. That's super conservative. Like I just don't have the emotional maturity to hold on all the way to the upside, all the way to 52. I just don't. I don't trade like that. $5 XRP is my target price, but $12 XRP, $22 XRP, $50 XRP, yeah. Hell yeah. I don't see why not. I don't see why not. Ray Ray! Big shout out to Ray Ray over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, brother. How you doing, my man? It's all good, all good. I am him saving over on the TikTok. I'm liking your prices, Granny. I hope the prices do hit. Absolutely. I am loving Crypto Granny's prices. I mean, law of attraction. Let's make it happen, Captain. Do whatever the hell we got to do to get to those price ranges. Hell yeah. Big shout out to Crypto Granny. She's spitting out facts. Spitting out facts. Let me look at Cardano. No love for Cardano, guys. No love for Cardano. My target price for Cardano as of right, I think we talked about this on the previous live streams. 14, 15, and 8 cents. Oof. Oh man, such a sad moment for anybody holding on to Cardano, man. There's just no love for Cardano. No love for Cardano. No love for Solana. Oh man, but there's just no reason why you guys shouldn't be stacking up on Cardano either. We are in a bottom coin. That's a bottom coin. The support lines are right there. Oh, let me do this one. It's just Cardano, man. I don't know why people don't like Cardano. Stack up on Cardano. Let me do this. Give me a second, guys. We have a high. We have a low. No, we have a low. We have a reversal of the low. So we have a reverse chart formation, and we can do our Fibonacci levels and figure out where do we want to get in. No, we got better Fibonacci levels over here. There we go. So for Cardano, oh man, for Cardano, 0.188 and 0.1670. So we're talking about a potential 18 or 16 cent Cardano. That just excites the hell out of me, you know? Because if I could get Cardano all the way down to 18, 16 cents, just buy more Cardano. Oh man, I want to buy Cardano now. I want to buy some more Cardano now. I don't know why. I just feel like buying some more Cardano. Let me look at, talking about Cardano, let's talk about some Solana. Oh, okay. So Solana, those are my target prices. Yeah, we talked about Solana on the last live stream, guys. Solana, $15 and $12. $15 and $12. $15 and $12. That's what we got for Solana. Let me see. Let me zoom in a second over here. Did we get to 50? No, we didn't make it. Still playing out those exact same price ranges, guys. We're still at that $15 Solana. If we get to $16, $15, $12, or anything lower than $12, we buy more Solana. Oh my God, can we make this happen, please? It is frustrating and stressful as hell. 501 Blues, big shout out to you, 501 over on the TikTok saying, I definitely buy the dips. Just wondering what triggered the dip. Well, I don't know if you're aware, but FTX is dumping in the market. Okay, so whenever we get these little dumpy dumps, prices go down. FTX was still holds a lot of hefty bags on many coins. Okay, so hey, forget about the excuse. Like, you forget about the news. It's just like, do you want to buy some more on the dips? That's what you got to be thinking. Why is it dumping? Because you need to buy some more. that's sort of how I looked at it, you know. Why is it dumping? I don't care. Can I buy some more? Then yeah, then we buy some more. You know, that's what I think about. Crypto Granny over on the TikTok saying buying opportunities up until February. Absolutely, right before the halving. Halving right around the corner, guys. It's coming. It's coming for all of us. Buying, halving, buying, new president, bull cycle. Halving, new president, bull cycle. That's the trend. Okay. November 2024. That's it. November 2024. I am going to give you an exact date. November 2024. You better start stacking up on this November, because for the next November, it's going to be too late. It's going to be too late. Give me a second, guys. Here, I got a little bit of a technical issue. It's not playing on my Facebook. Why isn't it playing on my Facebook? I don't know. It's playing on my Facebook. Give me a second, guys. I'm having a little bit of a technical issue. Since I restream on all the platforms, sometimes it gets a little bit iffy, and the internet connection is not as good as I always hope it would be. But it is what it is. No, it's playing on my Facebook. Why is it saying that it's not playing on my? It's playing on my Facebook. Don't do me like that. Don't troll me like that, guys. Big shout out for everybody here over on the live stream. Make sure that you smash that like button, follow and subscribe from all of my streaming platforms. I'm streaming on every single platform out there. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitch, I'm on Kick, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm on TikTok. I'm all over the place. No reason why you guys should be taking my price action. We've been trading this account for a very long time, trying to get to that $1 million XRP. It is what it is. Big shout out to Levine Investments. Big shout out to you, Levine. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok channel, the Twitch channel. Big shout out to you, Levine. Oh, let me look. You know what? Just for shits and giggles, let me look at the funding rates. CoinGlass.io. Funding rates. Manage options. I do not accept anything. No, thank you. Fuck this shit. I don't want to. I got to consent, you son of a bitch. Anyways, so this is the funding rates. Let me zoom out a little bit over here. Let me squint my eyes. You take the funding rates and you squint your eyes like this. And what color pops out at front of you? Very simple. You don't even have to squint your eyes. It's green. So we got green, red, or white. Whenever you see more green than any other color, that just means that there's a whole lot more people shorting than there are people longing. Okay. Remember that funding rates is how platforms can stay alive, because not you don't have a one-to-one trading activity. When you go in on a long, that doesn't mean that somebody's going in on a short. Not automatically. Okay. So the way that platforms kind of balance things out is with the funding rate. Okay. When there are more people longing than there are shorting, then there is a funding rate applied to your account. When there are more people shorting than there are longing, there's a fee taken out of your account. That's why you see the negative. So, and when there's neutral, when it's white, that means that there is just as many people longing as there are as many people shorting. So you have a 1-to-1 ratio. As of right now, there's a lot more people shorting than there are people longing. So you can use this as an indicator to figure out what direction our market's actually going for. Okay. So if momentum, if you want to trade with momentum, you want to trade with the trend. Trend is to the downside. I believe that we're still going to get more downwards action, guys. It's just all indicators are pretty much saying the exact same thing. I could be completely full of shit and this fucker just reverses by tomorrow. You know how volatile the crypto markets are. But it is what it is. I just see more price action to the downside. More price action to the downside, guys. I am him over on the TikTok saying, check out NXRA. Dude, I already did, brother. Check out the recording. I already checked out that coin. We already talked about some NXRA action. Big shout out to you, Levine, over on the TikTok. Thanks to you. Thanks for stopping by, brother. Big shout out to you, Levine. All right, guys. Well, that's all the time I got for you today. Thank you all for stopping by. I highly appreciate each and every one of you. I love each and every one of you too. Thank you for stopping by and giving me your hour of power. I will try to do the exact same thing tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Let's see how the hell these markets are going to behave by tomorrow. Tomorrow, do keep in mind and be on the lookout because Gary Gensler is going to go for a statement over on the Congress, and that is going to be streamed on the internet. So if you don't want to miss the little daddy whooping that he's going to probably get. It is what it is. Okay. I am pro regulation 100%, but we got to do it the right way. It cannot be enforced. It has to be taken by the rules, you know? So yeah, guys, tomorrow we're probably going to stream the Gary Gensler's hearing over on Congress. Okay. So be on the lookout for that. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for stopping by. I had a whole lot of fun. I hope you did too. I will see you again tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. Make sure that you like, follow, and subscribe to all of my streaming platforms. Trying to get to that 10,000 follower on all of my streaming platforms, guys. So thank you for stopping by. Had a whole lot of fun. Take care. God bless, and have a good one.